10 Best Detox Smoothies for a Flat Belly Cleanse, the Smoothie Diet. Detox smoothies are all the rage nowadays, and for good reason. They can help you lose weight and fast. Detox benefits. Making a detox smoothie? Starting your cleanse. A decent blender will not only break down the ingredients in your detox smoothie to a smooth perfection, without breaking down the nutrients, but it can also help to disguise some of the ingredients that you want to incorporate into your diet, but might not enjoy as much. It'll be hidden and blended in perfectly with all the other yummy ingredients. How to make detox smoothies. Recipes: green detox, berry blast, mango and strawberry, classic apple smoothie, avocado almond detox, mint detox smoothie, banana smoothie detox, pineapple sage smoothie, coconut pineapple detox, cantaloupe ginger smoothie. Detox smoothie ingredients. Detox smoothies will help get you on track towards a flat belly and a healthier lifestyle, but if you'd like to incorporate other lifestyle changes at the same time, you can include drinking more water throughout the day and getting in a workout session 3 to 5 days a week. Join us the challenge and get your smoothie recipes.